Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can change the language in Amazon app. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to your Amazon app, click on Amazon, and let's say you want to change your language. You need to go to the profile icon at the bottom, and then at the top left, you will see there is a flag icon. Click on it. So currently, the country is set to Canada and the language is set to English. If you want to change this language to something else, let's say I want to change it to French, then after I change it, I can click on Finish, and that should change my language. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.